Hello and welcome back to Master T, both channels. Today we are doing a catch and cook. If you look at the title, you already know what it is. Largemouth bass. Well, no, spotted bass. Yeah, spotted bass. So we caught 3, but we gave, oh wait, there's minnows in there. Well, shad too. There's one of the spotteds. There's the other one. Here's a gizzard shad. And we are going to be eating these guys. That guy's, he got in a fight. So I will be showing y'all how to basically clean and cook them. So they're right there. Now get the other one. He's still alive. Yeah, look at that. So, okay. Here, can you hold the phone for me? Here is the other spotted bass. And now, we should spray them off, right?
Spray them off and then we'll flay them. Get me a...
Okay, so now, gotta get a fillet knife and a cutting board. Just got the cutting board and this Rapala fillet knife. Got the cutting board on the truck bed, so now we're spraying off the fish. So if you don't like looking at this, just get off the video. Viewer discretion is advised. But first, you would. It's because YouTube flags people sometimes if they don't put viewer discretion as advised. He's a bit bloody. Actually, I guess the title would basically say viewer discretion because it's catch, clean, and cook, not just catch and cook. Catch, clean, and cook. And then there's one fillet. Now the other side.
There.
So we just got the 2 fillets.
So now we gotta skin it.
Yeah, now we gotta skin it. And here's the other fish. My legs are burning.
Yep. Next time we'll give you my fillet knife. This one's dull.
Yeah, that is Bobby's fillet. Make some shoes out of the skin. Okay, my turn. Just for y'all's information, these are legal. They were all spotted bass. And where we were fishing, there's no minimum length limit, and we could keep 15.
This will be Tyler's first time filleting his own bass. I would turn that around if I were you. Nope, I would turn his meat towards you like you need it. Just like that.
Oh, that's not good.
Move your thumb so you don't slice it.
Yeah.
I like to put my hand flat, fingers up, palms up, fingers up, palms up, and hold him right there on his head. Angle downwards. There you go. Doing good. Feel it glancing across those bones. Oh, came out a little early.
Oh man, there's still good meat on them.
Here, hold them. Let's go ahead and get this off.
Oh, I cut into the gut cavity. And then just cut through.
Nope.
Okay.
We'll start up here cutting through. There you go. Now just start, turn it this way. Start cutting down along his gut sac towards his anus. Well, that's one butchered fish.
Yeah. I still got some.
Still got some decent meat.
I can get more. Yeah, that one wasn't really
Yep.
bad enough.
All right, let's lay him up. Hold on. Lay his tail back up here. And then start right there and glance down. Angle the knife downwards. Keep going up. There's a little nicey juicy tidbit. Flip that over there so we don't lose it.
There's still a little way.
Nah, I don't think you can get that. All right, flip him over and let's try to do the other side a little cleaner this time. All right, turn him towards you. There you go. So, what you want? Hold on, let me see it. What you want? If you feel right in here, there's still meat right there. So if you cut straight here, you're gonna miss that meat there. So what I like to do, hold on, no, nope.
It's right there.
Hold on. Start right here, start getting it in there, and then start coming back as far as you can until you hit some bone up here, and then angle the knife down and glance across the spine going that way.
Oops.
That's it. All right, move your thumb so that if you slip, you don't cut it. Put your hand right there. Yep, good job.
It would be nice if I were had both hands dominant.
Doing good. All right, keep going. Nope, get your hand out of there. You can move your hand down a little bit if you want, but you don't want your hand anywhere down of where that knife might slip. All right, hold on. Get him up here on the table. That way you can angle that knife downwards and glance across those bones and get all that meat. Downwards. There you go. Good job. All the way to the end of the tail. He almost got it. Start back up there. There you go. Yeah, look at that. Look at that chunk you would have missed. That's going to get into his gut sack. Start right back up here. Hold him back here. Start right back up here. And you get your thumb up in there and then slip that knife in underneath your thumb. Ooh, careful. There we go. Ooh, cut all the way through to the other side, didn't you? There, perfect. Look at that. All right.
Ow.
Don't poke
Just
yourself.
poked myself. Ow. Shard of bone just went through my finger.
There you go. Nice. Getting some belly meat in that one.
Whoops.
All right, slice her down.
That's a bigger piece.
All right, skin them.
There's still tons of meat on the fish.
Get your fingers up closer so the skin doesn't walk. There you go. Move your fingers up underneath that meat and get them close to the back of the blade of the knife. There we go. Perfect. Keep your fingers moving up. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Look at that.
I got right
Juicy.
on the skin.
You wanna take a bite of that right now?
No.
All right.
I might get a parasite in me.
Parasitic.
Because these things come from the nastiest body ever. Whoops. I got sweat in my eye and it hurts like crazy. Got a little bit of the gut sack in there.
We'll trim it once you get it off. Good job. Nicely
There's
done.
a little hole.
Lay it down and cut that gut sack off.
Oh, I feel bones in there.
We'll clean up the bones inside.
Oh.
Yeah, just slice that section off. There you go. That's a piece of gut sack too, I believe.
Ooh.
And a parasite. Ladies and gentlemen, parasite.
Should we just not eat this one?
Nah, that'll be fine. We'll clean it up, get all them out. Alright. So now, it's best to tie those things up
Look at all
in a
those
sealed
parasites.
bag so they don't start stinking in the garbage.
Look at
So
all those
Tyler, guess what you get to do?
Yeah, but look at these.
Look at that.
parasites.
Gotta wash my truck bed off. Tyler likes parasites.
No, look at all of them.